Hello everyone, today I Dipanwita from Artsy Naillogy by Dipanwita have brought to you guys a review of COLORBAR eye pencils. So today there will be no nail art or nail polish to talk about, but this is a different type of video in my channel today, so hope you guys will enjoy it and please keep on watching to know how it performs. So this range is COLORBAR's Eye Glide eye pencil or Eye Glide crayon and has a weight of 1.1 gram and the shade name is Emerald Charm number 016. So it comes in a shiny cardboard packaging like this, and the sticker has the price mentioned, that is 550, and on this label you can see the ingredients that have been used in this kajal. These are mostly pretty harmless products and very little is used in cosmetics, and I really like the transparency of COLORBAR. It says it lasts up to 8 hours, it's waterproof, halal approved, dermatologically tested, ophthalmologically tested, cruelty-free, has no paraffin or mineral oil or preservatives or animal derived ingredients. So that's really a great thing. So here it says that these can be used as eye pencil or eyeshadow, and they contain jojoba oil, vitamin E and cottonseed oil, and these are very creamy and moisturizing and should not be used as kajal on the waterline. So here's how the pencil looks. It's a plastic packaging and the color is proper green, not how my camera is showing, and it's sort of glittery as well. It's got a black cap and the details of the pencil is written on the stickers and all these labels, the shade name, number and shelf life of 2 years. The cap is quite tight, but I don't like the fact that this one has to be shaved and it's not a retractable pencil. It's really creamy and buttery and glides on like a dream and is infused with loads of glitter particles, so it looks absolutely gorgeous. It sits in a few seconds and after that it doesn't budge. You can see I have to apply a lot of force to make it smudge, and it smudges only a little bit even after that. Now I'm checking if it's waterproof or not, and as you can see it definitely is, because even after vigorous rubbing with water it hasn't moved. So that's me applying the eye pencil, and even though it says that it's not meant to be used on the waterline, I still tried it and I wanted to see how it performs. And yep, so you can see that it glides on really smooth and it's really pigmented. In just one single swipe or stroke you get the full coverage and the full color. So I am done applying the eye pencil and this is how it looks in fresh condition. I will show you clips from throughout the day to show you how it performs. Hey there, update time. So I wore this kajal at 10 in the morning and it's 1 PM right now, and let me just show you how it is performing so far. So it hasn't smudged, as you can see, it hasn't moved anywhere, but the waterline part has faded. That outer corner, that part has faded a bit. You can see in on both the sides. So other than that, there is no issue. It's a beautiful sparkly green color. I am really loving this kajal. So I'll provide you updates after a few more hours. Hi again, so it's update time. It's 4 PM right now and you can see my kajal or my green eyeliner, whatever you call it, is still on place, and the slight washing off in the outer corners that was there a few hours back, it's still the same. It hasn't washed off. More than that, I am really having watery eyes today, so I thought that it would like melt more or smudge more, but nothing like that happened. So I am really loving the performance of this. I'll try to give more updates. I don't know how long I'll put it on because I'm going to wash it off in a couple of hours, I think, because I'll go back home. So so far it has done really well, and I give a big thumbs up to this product, and I think you guys can try this as well. And if you don't have watery eyes, I guess that you won't be having any sort of smudging. The little that I have got, you won't even get that also. So this is a very awesome product according to me. It's very nice, glittery, very pigmented, creamy, buttery texture, glides on smoothly, and takes just a light swipe to give you that color. So overall, it's a really wonderful product. So I'll show you a close-up of my eyes, the inner and the outer corners. I don't really wear kajal near my inner corners. It makes my eyes look some sort of smaller and clustered, I think. So this is like this. I hope you can see. Here's another update from around 5:30, and the eye pencil is performing really great, and I love COLORBAR products. They're really prestigious. I love the nail polishes, and the eye pencil isn't quite disappointing me so far. So it's 7 p.m. and this is my final clip of my whole day of wet testing this COLORBAR kajal. So this is how it looks. There is apparently not much of a difference, but I think that it has faded a bit from the top of my eyelid, and also the glitters have scattered. So below my waterline I can see, if I go very close, my camera is not that great. So if I go very close, my camera is not that great. So maybe you can see that the glitter particles has melted down from the kajal to this lower portion. So this can be a demerit. I don't know if I can say this a demerit, because I have been wearing it for almost 9 hours and I have sweated. And although right now I'm in Dehradun and the temperature is quite low, I mean it's around 18 to 20 degrees or at max 25 degrees, so it's not, and also the weather is not humid, so it's kind of dry weather, so I haven't sweated much. So I don't know how it will perform on sweaty and oily skin. I have oily skin, but I did not sweat much. So although I went around a few places. So this is how the kajal performed on me in this particular climate for 9 hours. I think if you sweat and if you have a more oily skin, I think it will smudge more, and you can see the glitter particles have kind of washed down below my waterline. So if you consider it, it can be a demerit, but otherwise I am kind of satisfied with this kajal. It has performed quite well on my eyes and it looks really pretty, very glittery, gives a bright look to the eye, and I think you can use this as a eyeshadow as well if you smudge it, so it will give you a glittery green kind of eye look. So overall, it's not a bad product. I am quite happy with it. I was only trying to show the glitter fallouts, otherwise this eye pencil has survived the test of time. It has stayed on for 8 hours and it's still, the outline is still pretty clear, and you can see that it hasn't smudged that much. So I tried to remove it with soap and this is the result. I have glitter particles all over my face. On my forehead you can see the sparkles, under my eyes and everywhere, and all that is from the eye pencil. I don't like this. I think I could have or should have used makeup remover before using soap to avoid this mess, but nevertheless I'm going to use the makeup remover now to remove all this, because with soap I think it will take a lot of time and a lot of rubbing and I can't torture my skin like that. But I don't really like how the glitters like spread all over my face. The chunky glitters on the eye pencil definitely looks good when applied on the eyes like that. It looks sort of like fulgari. So but when I try to clean it, it makes such a mess. So here I have makeup remover. I don't think it works much, but it's better than before. My eye area is cleaned of that green pigment, but the glitters are still visible all over my face. I don't know if the things would have been different if I had used makeup remover before using soap. It might have spread. it might have limited the spread over my face. I made a mistake. I'll try to do it the other way around. Alright, so I've taken some makeup remover on a cotton ball and I will try to remove it first without using soap and water, and let's see if it spreads as much. So I can still see the glitter particles spreading and not really easily getting off. So that's the nature of glitter basically. Same with glitter polishes. So that's honestly the only demerit I found of this eye pencil. So yeah, that's all for today's review of this kajal. Hope you like this one and hope you will give it a try if you haven't already, and also do let me know if you have tried this before or not, and do share your reviews about it and personal reviews about it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll come back with the more such videos. Stay tuned in my channel Artsy Naillogy by Dipanwita, where I provide you guys videos on easy, intermediate and tough nail art, and I give reviews like this on cosmetics, nail polishes, and sometimes I provide lifestyle vlogs. So hope you will like the content of my channel. So be friends with my channel, subscribe right away, like this video, comment down below, and share this with your friends if you found it useful. So see you guys super soon with more videos. Bye and take care.